Hi everyone! Today we're learning how to count 5-cent and 10-cent coins quickly using a simple math algorithm. By the end of this video, you'll know how to sort coins, use multiples of 5 and 10, and find the total value fast. The first step in our algorithm is to sort the coins. Put all the 5-cent coins in one group and all the 10-cent coins in another group. Sorting makes counting much easier. Next, count the 10-cent coins first. Why? Because counting by 10s is quick. If we have 5 10-cent coins, we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 50 cents. Now count the 5-cent coins by 5s. If we have 4 5-cent coins, we count 5, 10, 15, 20. That equals 20 cents. Finally, add the two totals together. 50 cents plus 20 cents equals 70 cents. That's the total value of all the coins. Let's review our step-by-step algorithm. Step 1, sort the coins. Step 2, count the 10-cent coins first. Step 3, count the 5-cent coins. Step 4, add the totals. This works because 5 and 10 follow clear number patterns. Let's practice. If you have 3 10-cent coins and 6 5-cent coins, what's the total? Count by 10s, then by 5s, and add them together. Today, you learned how to count 5-cent and 10-cent coins quickly using a simple algorithm and multiples of 5 and 10. If this money math lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy math lessons. See you in the next one!